How to add message button on Instagram post. So if you want to add message button on Instagram post, then first you need to open up your Instagram application, and after that go with the bottom middle which has that plus icon and tap on a video or image that you would like to post, and after that go with next, which is on the upper right, and now again tap on next, which is on the bottom right, and here you will get this kind of interface where you will have an option of add message button right here. But if you don't have add message button right here, then what you need to do is report to Telegram that you don't have the message option. So what you need to do is just go back, go with profile, go with the upper right which has that 3-bar icon, scroll all the way down, and here you will have help. Tap on help, go with report a problem, tap on report problem, tap on don't include, and here you need to simply write that hello Instagram team, I don't have the option of add message button on my Instagram post, so please help me with that. Once you've written that, you can simply go with send, which is on the upper right, and you will receive some email or some help from Instagram team within 24 hours. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.